Okay, cool. Now we're going to create an assembly of the world. So we're just going to file and then new, and this time choose an assembly, and yes, browse the world plate, and yes, like that. Right click and then float, make it float, and then we're just going to choose that part, front plane. No, we're just going to choose front plane made with the front plane of a world plate. Yes, that like that, and then the top plane and that top plane is like that, coincident, and choose the right plane and the right plane, coincident, and that's it. Yes, after that we're just going to component, and let's choose the bracket. Yes, and the bracket we choose that face, that hole to be cylindrical. Yes, not say, just going to make it concentric to that hole, and then that hole as well supposed to be no, that face and that face supposed to be parallel. Yes, and that face to that face is constant, and then that face supposed to be with that face constant. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Yes, that's the first bracket, and then I'm just going to choose second bracket to go like that, and go to move component and rotate that component to the opposite side. Yes, you choose that hole to make that hole concentric, but that face and that face is supposed to be parallel like that. Bird, that face and that face supposed to be constant like that, and that's it on the side of the bracket. They already made as we want. Okay, uh, that's cool. I'm just going to browse another component which is going to be shaft. No, we're just going to load pin. Yeah, that's cool. Just going to load pin, and we want 4 pins, 2, 3, and then 4. Hold on and control and then drag. That's it, and we're just going to mate one by one. Mate that pin to that hole concentric, and then that face to that face constant. That pin and that hole concentric, and that face to that face constant. That pin to that hole concentric, and that face to that face constant, that pin to that hole concentric, and that face to that face constant, just like that. That's cool. Okay, let's try out another product called shaft, and then we're just going to drop down the shaft, and that made that one to that circle going to be, yes, concentric, and I'm just going to put that shaft into the center. So I'm just going to advanced, yes, going to choose advanced method, and on advanced method we choose the width method, yes. Yes, and then you're going to choose that face of the width method, to and that face, yes, that face, and then that is the last face there. Yeah, that's cool. That's it. And then okay, yes, and if you go to the section view, you can find that that chapter is perpendicular. If you put it perpendicular like that, and then looks like that, which is pretty. And that's it. And let's go to 3D view, isometric view. Yes, and then we're just going to browse the final product, which is where, and go to where, drop down there where, and that hole supposed to be made with that shaft concentric, and as normal we're just going to put this one at the center, and yes, he's going to put that one at the center, and then go to the advanced mode, and an advanced mode we're going to choose just going to choose width mode, and on a width mode we choose as normal that face, and that face, then we choose that face and that face. Yeah, that's it, and that's good. Yeah, that's how the wheel assembly is supposed to look like. And when you go to the section view and tube, and it's gonna be like that. Yes, that's it. That's how it's supposed to be. And yes, okay, now let's go and activate the real view of this part, and it's going to be wow like that. Yeah, that's wow. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial from the part creation up to the assembly creation, and this is how we're supposed to do in a SolidWorks software. And don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel called Salum Khalid SolidWorks tutorial, and you get more and more models in my tutorials. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and yeah, welcome back.